morning, teacher and company. Effects of technology on the environment. My name is Daisy Andrea Martin Sarmiento, Group 220. Teacher, Gloria Hernandez Estrada. According to fresh studies, the planet is to confront alteration in the climate. From my point of view, the information and communication technology can intensively help in the solution integral of the climate change, and for this module, the government are invited to adopt measures relation with the development of new policies for the vigilance and use of green technology. I consider why the technology is a grand tool, offering comfort. Nevertheless, is a powerful factor in a global warming, proper about whose responsible of some people. The environmental pollution will be both with the selection and use correct of the material recycled, for example, the cardboard. The impact of the technology in the present is positive in the sensitive that to generate renewable energy. Also, I consider that the increase of processing industries contribute in the degradation of land. If current trend continue, possibly himself to generate an economic growth. The developing countries to construct factories are generating of employment, but also cause of contamination the environment. The access to the technology to facilitate new opportunities labor trouble and study from house. More before the template that come from the poverty to private required of help that to the heritage who will be in physical and economic intervention, the whose core of the resource. Nevertheless, the population growth increased the rising level of consumption. By other part, if people don't change their habits, their rapid urbanization to contribute the green zone contribute in the natural resource scarcity. For this reason, the eco-friendly technology is a very good solution to diminution of the global warming, but for that to possible, it is required of countries' action. For example, the foment of the ending correct of the residue. I will feel in the sustainable development necessity to look after the environment since it is our habitat and that of our existing biodiversity. In conclusion, we would like to ask for your international support because we about you insult and you